Connector. IC3 device. The IC series of connectors are designed from the ground up to provide a more solid connection, higher heat resistance, and effortless installation. Sprung bullets ensure a solid connection that is easy to connect and disconnect, while the convenient solder pads allow for easy installation on your device. For those using the popular EC3 and EC5 connectors, there's no need to worry. The IC connector series is entirely backwards compatible with existing EC3 connectors and EC5 connectors. Item package weight: 0.01 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. Works with EC3 connectors but are easier to connect, disconnect. Great product. These are great connectors.